Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very interesting tool which is called as Writing Tools. It is an Apple AI's inspired app which enchants Windows and that enhances your pen with AI LLMs. With one hotkey press, you can do system-wide changes like fixing grammar, punctuation, and much more. It is quite intelligent and uses open source local LLMs. It is powered by ChatLLM.cpp, which is written purely in C++, and I already have covered it out on my channel. Just search with ChatLLM on the channel and you should be able to find that relevant video. So in this video, we are going to install this writing tools on Windows and we will see how it works with local LLMs. Before I proceed further, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. It is quite resilient and reusable, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. So let's go back to writing tools. Now, there are a lot of good features about it. It is private because it uses local LLMs. It works instantly in any application where you can select text. It is completely free and open source, purely native, plot free, and uses pretty much very little of your CPU. It doesn't even require GPU. If you have CPU with around 16 GB of RAM, you are all good set. It seamlessly switches between context processing mode and chat mode, and all the commands are fully customizable. So these are some of the feature and stuff. Let's go and try to get it installed. As is the case with Windows, installation is fairly simple. On this GitHub repo, just go to its releases page, and from there you will see that latest version is this. Just right click on this zip file, save link as, and save it on your local system. I already have done it. Here in this folder, right click and then click on extract here, and it has extracted everything on our local system quite nicely. Now for the installation you would need first a model too. So for model, on their GitHub repo, if you go there and if you scroll down, they have provided this link where you can simply right click and download. So I already have downloaded it in my desktop. You can go with Gemma or you can go with Quen, and there are various other models with ChatLLM.cpp supports. Okay, so once that's done, go back to the folder where you have unzipped it. Search for the file called as profile.json.ini. Right click it and then remove this .in. It should just end with profile.json. That's it. So yes, and then you can open it in any text editor. I'm going to just open it in the notepad. Now here, just search for the section which says ChatLLM. You can also check out the other stuff too, but we just want to change the model here. So in this notepad, if you just search with ChatLLM, you will come here. Now here you see that this says to do fill in model path. So just remove this and let me paste my model path. So if I just show you my model path, so this is my directory and this is a bin file, which is a PyTorch file on my local system, which I just downloaded. Just paste it here. So this is a full path to my model, and that is pretty much you need to do. Once that's done, just close this notepad, go back to this directory where you have unzipped that writing tools and double click on this writing tools.exe here. And then more info, run anyway. Okay, so you see that it was unable to access it. Let me check if the path is correct. Writing tool has started, but it gave us the error. So in that case, just simply click X and then open this profile.json. Let me quickly check if I have done it right. The path, I mean. So you see, it has just converted it into UTF-8. I think I would just need to put double slashes in. Let me do that. So I have escaped these slashes, as you can see. So I've just gone with double slash. Let's close it. And now let me double click, now it runs fine. And so I'll just put it here. Now if you want to use it, there are two ways of doing it. One way is, I still believe, quite sketchy. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, because it depends upon the hotkeys, but nonetheless I will show you. So for example, this is just a text file. I have pasted a random text in it. Let's highlight it, and then you can press a hotkey. For example, the hotkey for the default is Windows key plus Shift key plus capital I. So let me quickly press that. There you go. So you see it got activated. And if you just say proofread, so once you click on it and then you click here, you see it says symbol. B is missing. So let me click here, and it has changed it to symbol again. Now you can also use it as a chat assistant. So where it says this text box, simply just write anything like what is happiness, and then you can just use it as a chat assistant. You can even chat with your files. The only one thing I have found out is that you have to make sure that your focus of your cursor is on the window which you want to deal with. So interesting innovation. I'm sure it's not a groundbreaking technology, but still good enough. The thing which I really like about is this: it runs on CPU, no GPU required. Plus, it simply uses local models, all private, all local, and it runs on Windows, because I know that you guys always ask what is the tool for Windows. So this is a tool for Windows which you can run easily on your system. One thing I also would encourage, that make sure that at least you have 16 GB of VRAM if you really want to get this decent performance. I have 16 GB of RAM on my system. So if you have less than that, I have seen it struggling a lot. One more thing, if you don't want to use the Windows plus Shift plus capital I as your hotkey, then go to this profile.json. Let me open it in Notepad. And at the very start, you see this is the hotkey. So I have changed it to Alt plus capital I. You can just use it as well, because I am using it in RDP. In RDP, I don't think so Windows key works, so that is why I have used Alt plus capital I. There are a lot of other things which you can change if you like, but like these ones, it depends upon your use case. So that is why they say that it is highly customizable, because all the configuration is in this JSON file. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this tool. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.